Hi, I'm Nick with Calibrated Power. I've got the 19 Plus Stealth Mach 1 for the VE in front of me. It's an exciting day because it means that now we support all VE turbochargers from 2007.5 and up. So let's talk about the Mach 1, what applications it fits. Our Stealth Mach 1 is geared at the guys who are looking to get the most out of their stock fuel system. This Mach 1 is geared more towards you horsepower junkies, guys looking to make more horsepower. This turbo moves enough air to support up to 700 horsepower. We do that using a 64mm inducer. So we got a bigger compressor wheel on this turbocharger, and we've also upsized the exhaust compared to the STR. So it uses a oversized turbine compared to stock, a 10-blade turbine, and then we have a nozzle ring specific to the Mach 1. So this nozzle ring is higher flowing than the STR nozzle ring. It's designed for a higher horsepower application, and these are both exclusive designs to Calibrated Power. This nozzle ring and the shroud plate that it fits into, along with the turbine, are exclusive to Calibrated Power. We're the only ones using a wider inducer on the turbine, meaning we get more effective exhaust flow on the turbine. There's a whole video series on this nozzle ring style and our development of it, which I would encourage you to watch. It's right here. The goal of this upgraded nozzle ring is to allow us to more effectively bring exhaust onto the turbine. And when we can do that, we can lower drive pressure to boost ratios, meaning we can run that higher boost, that close to 50 pounds of boost out of this thing to get max power, without squeezing the turbine into nothingness. So the common thread out there is to run this nozzle ring basically halfway plunged into the shroud plate, which really chokes the exhaust housing down and makes a lot of drive pressure. We open that whole section up and allow this thing another 2 millimeters of flow all the way around this ring, which is significant. Basically, the long and short of the situation is that every part that we update on this turbocharger is designed around making that extra horsepower. We're not just putting a compressor wheel in the thing and telling you to squeeze the piss out of it to make the extra horsepower. What does that mean for you guys using the trucks? It means the same drivability you're used to. So this turbo is still a quick responding turbocharger, uses basically the same architecture as stock with those modifications we talked about. We even use a lighter rotating assembly than stock. On top of that drivability, you also have reliability. So we're machining everything in-house. We're building these turbochargers in-house. We're using genuine Holset actuators on them. So if you're looking for a turbocharger that can make the horsepower you're looking for without sacrificing drivability, without sacrificing reliability, and still allow you to use the truck to tow and control EGTs, even the exhaust brake still works as stock, the Stealth Mach 1 is the turbocharger for you. Give us a call, 815-568-7920. I'm Nick with Calibrated Power. We'll catch you on the next one.